Well, Christelle, the Jackson County Health Department says their analysis of the downward trend of COVID cases are on par with the down drop of the COVID cases nationwide and worldwide. They say that makes them very optimistic. I also spoke with a local boutique owner who says that news is good news.
Maybe their loved one.
Carmela Dooley is the owner of Dumu Boutique in Independence. She opened up her business last year and says the pandemic was the springboard for her boutique.
For the most part, it all was centered around COVID and face masks.
She's one of the many Jackson County residents who are anxious to see COVID numbers drop. On Monday, the Jackson County Health Department announced COVID cases are the lowest since October. Rates are now 127 per 100,000. That's compared to 1,710 per 100,000.
January, we saw more COVID deaths than any other month in the pandemic. So especially when we're starting to see the case rates starting to drop and all of those things, that's definitely something that we're looking forward to.
For people like Dooley, the news is a breath of fresh air. Dooley says her journey during the pandemic has been tough as COVID hit home for her and her husband in July, sending both of them to the hospital.
He just returned to work last month, just a few short weeks ago, and he's still on oxygen. He was very, very close to intubation. The doors were closed.
But the doors have reopened at Dumu Boutique, and Dooley says now that the numbers in the county have gone down, she's ready to see foot traffic go back up. The business had to pivot to meet new demands. But the Jackson County Health Department says we aren't in the clear just yet. While cases have dropped significantly, they're still high. Leaders with the Jackson County Health Department say getting a COVID-19 vaccination is the best way to protect yourself.
Infectious diseases are often like wildfires. As long as there are susceptible people, that has the potential to keep spreading.
Dooley says her experience with COVID only makes her stronger as a business owner, and her testimony only fuels her passion for fashion.
I'm going to press on, and as long as I'm able to stand and talk, I'm going to keep talking about it.
Now, the Jackson County Health Department says that their reporting in the downward trend is affected by the rise of home tests that are taken. They recommend that if you do test positive for COVID through a home test, you also go and get that PCR for accuracy and reporting. Denisha Richard, Fox 4, working for you.